Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the HDFC Pay app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and open up the HDFC Pay app. Once you're on this page of the HDFC mobile banking app, on the middle of your screen just above the login button you'll see this forgot password option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the forgot password option, you'll be guided to another page. Now for you to reset your password, you'll have to fill in your customer ID here and then click on this continue button. Make sure that your customer ID is filled in correctly. Once you click on the continue button and if you have filled in your customer ID correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on the HDFC Pay app. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the HDFC Pay app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.